Hi, Mickey here. I'm here with my wife Laura.
Hi, and we're here to give you the 10 reasons. This is the first of 10 reasons that you want to buy our home in Chandler. Reason number one is our saltwater pool. After we retiled the house and remodeled the entire kitchen, the next thing we did was convert our pool and spa to a saltwater pool. It's been a joy to be in that pool nearly every day. And I want to tell you the 9 benefits of a saltwater pool. The first thing is it doesn't need traditional chlorine. So you don't have to have chlorine, put it in, have those icky chemicals around. You also don't have the chlorine smell, but neither do you have a salt smell or taste either. Salt is much better for your skin than chlorine is. It will also boost your immune system. It's also hypoallergenic, which means fewer allergy issues. You won't have any surprise algae growth with a saltwater pool. And there are automated lights and reminders with a convenient phone app. It'll save you money in the long run, and it's so convenient and easy to maintain that you don't even have to think about it. Our home and our pool are located at 5751 West Del Rio Street in Chandler near Ray and Kyrene in the Maze Pond development, which is part of Gila Springs. We are also offering a $1,500 finder's fee to the person who brings us our buyer. Please contact Christine Bastian with Berkshire Hathaway at 602-619-5065 if you or someone you know wants to buy our home.